So first we need to have a name for our factory. So this could be steel plant. And then I have to define what I want to measure. So this could be like a production line or a machine or a value flow, whatever you choose. So I will have a line A. And here I can add more objects, but I'm done for now. We'll start with line A. Next step is to define what are my main reasons for downtime. So I have some predefined, like a breakdown or cleaning, lack of material. But I can change this to have something fit for me, but I will just keep this one for now. Next step is to have a daily schedule. What is the normal production time for this line or machine? So for line A, maybe we have just day shift. We work Monday to Friday, and maybe Friday we will end a little bit earlier, so I can just change it like that. So this is my weekly schedule for this line or for this machine. Next step is to define what is the cycle time, what is the theoretical maximum pace that this machine or line can produce. I will define a product. So maybe it was a steel mine, so it's a steel bars or whatever we are producing. And I will set what is the maximum output per hour. If we have no breakdowns, no downtime, and we have no interruptions, and everything is perfect, what is the output per hour? 10, and then we have unit tons in this example. Sometimes when we have different products, they have different maximum speed or maximum pace. Then I can choose to define the product's pace per product if I want to. So if I toggle this switch, I can add products and set a maximal pace for that product. So maybe you have large windows, and then maybe you have small windows, and the maximum pace is different. So then you can define it per product. But for this demonstration, I will just stick to the same pace, whatever product we are producing. So, and that's it. That was the setup. I will just go to the input view, and this is the screen where your machine operators will enter production data. So what you see here is for today. We start 7 o'clock. That was already defined. And we have not set any product yet. And we have no downtimes yet. To start this day, 7 o'clock, I will define a product. And right now we only have one product. So we'll just click Start Production to say that this production started 7 o'clock today. Each hour, or whatever interval I choose, I will report what was produced. So for this time, 8 o'clock, I can say, remember we have a theoretical maximum of 10, maybe we had 7, and we had 1 in scrap for this first hour. Right now it's 20 past 1. I will report that we have produced so far 50 bars. 7 of them are scrap. So this way I report my production during the day. Also something probably happened during this day, and I will report some downtimes. At this time, 7:30, we had something, lack of material. When I click on it, it will, as a default, go for 10 minutes. But if I just drag and drop it, I can put the actual length for this. This stop was until 8:30, and if I want more details I can just click on it and I can adjust it to the actual minute if I choose to. And then we had another stop. We had a breakdown, and that was for until 10 minutes past 10. And in this easy way I will report production and I will report all my down times. Now we want to find ways to improve, and we want our performance indicators. And to get that we just click on this pie chart and we will see what has happened. So the worst contributor are first. So material loss has been 55 minutes today so far, and we can see that the performance indicators say that the OEE was 67%. So in this way you can in just 5 minutes start getting production data, start analyzing, start find what are our main downtimes, how are they distributed.